All right. I'll teach you a new word today, which also has a lot of uses in Russian. First, learn the Azerbaijani version and then Russian. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have tavan. Tavan. Tavan is ceiling, can be figuratively and literally, or can be a cap. Now, how? Let's see. To paint the ceiling or suspended ceiling can be called as drop ceiling too, high ceiling or price cap. Let's see. Tavanı boyamak. Boyamak, to paint. I'll tell you the Russian version of this too. Asma tavan, suspended ceiling or drop ceiling. Asma is hanging basically. Now, hündür tavan, hündür is high and tall. So in this case, high ceiling. Qiymət tavanı, the price cap. That has nothing to do with actual ceiling, right? But in this case, price cap. Let's go back to tavanı boyamak. Tavan, you will hear way too many versions in Russian when someone means ceiling. You will hear потолок. Another thing, to paint the ceiling. To paint is boyamak in Azerbaijani. But you're going to hear Russian version a lot, which is kraskalamak. Kraska is the paint. Kraskalamak. Interesting thing is that kraska is the kraska in Russian, which means paint. But the suffixes you add to that, they are Azerbaijani suffixes. That's the what funny part to me. So, patolokuk, same, patoloku, the ceiling, okay? U is the Azerbaijani suffix. Patoloku kraskalamak or tavanı boyamak, the actual clean Azerbaijani version. All right? Enough with tips and let's get on with sentences. First one. Ustalar gələn həftə mənzilin divarını cilalayıb ağ rəngə boyayacaqlar. Ona görə də mebelləri bugün kənara çəkməliyik. Couple of words that I will help you with. But first, let's see the translation. The contractors are going to smooth over and paint the ceiling white next week. So we have to move the furniture out of the way today. Let's see. Ustalar, the contractors. You see how I write ustalar? I say ustalar. Usta can also be used for master, but in this case, you know, we're talking about construction. In this case, it's contractors. Gələn həftə, next week, mənzilin tavanını cilalayıb. It's basically they are gonna smooth over the ceiling. Ağ rəngə boyayacaqlar. Boyayacaqlar. Boyamak, to paint. Boyayacaq, will paint. Boyayacaqlar, they will paint. Ağ rəng, ağ, white, rəng, color. Okay? Ona görə də, that's why, so, mebelləri bugün kənara çəkməliyik. We have to move the furniture out of the way today. Bugün, today, kənara çəkməliyik. We have to move out. Means çəkmək, to push, to drag, kənar, to the corner, out of the way. So, mebel, that's another loan word for you, means furniture. Mebellər, furnitures, basically, in plural. Let me read it one more time. Ustalar, gələn həftə mənzilin divarını cilalayıb, cilalamak, smooth over, ağ rəngə boyayacaqlar. Ona görə də mebelləri bugün kənara çəkməliyik. Next sentence. Hökumət inflyasiyanın qarşısını almaq üçün əsas ərzaq məhsullarına qiymət tavanı tətbiq etdi or qiymət həddi tətbiq etdi. Let's see why and what. To fight inflation, inflyasiyanın qarşısını almaq üçün inflyasiya, another loan word, qarşısını almaq, to prevent basically, to fight inflation. Əsas ərzaq məhsullarına, on essential food items, qiymət tavanı, price limit, price cap, tətbiq etdi, applied or put. Hökumət, government. It's another loan word. Hökumət, inflation, but I believe it's from Arabic or Persian, might be hökumət. Now, hökumət enflasiyanın qarşısını almaq üçün əsas ərzaq məhsullarına qiymət tavanı tətbiq etdi, or qiymət həddi tətbiq etdi. Okay? That was today's word tavan. Let's see how else we can use it. Maybe that joke. I hit my productivity tavan before my coffee even cooled. Now, if you are interested in learning Azerbaijani, there's Master Azerbaijani app available for you to download on App Store and Google Store. There's also masterazerbaijani.com that available since 2025 if you are interested in learning cultural